so you can beat out other buyers to the best deals. So our goal is to find you the perfect match for you. Now, the way we begin the process is with a free phone consultation. First, let's determine what you're looking to achieve and make sure it's the right move for you and your family. So a free phone consultation allows us to learn more about your moving plans. At this time, we'll get you pre-approved for the best home loan. The phone consultation and the home loan pre-approval is absolutely free of charge, and you're never obligated to do anything. So call or text us at the number below to get started. Now, once we find you the perfect home, you will benefit from our experience and specialized knowledge as we negotiate all the terms on your behalf, including negotiating the lowest price, your desired possession date, what is included with the home, and any repairs that need to be completed at the owner's expense. We will make sure that you're protected by adding important clauses into the offer. For example, adding a home inspection clause to ensure the home doesn't have any problems, like problems with the furnace, electrical, roof, or a host of other issues that would be unacceptable to you.